stopping by for your Monday market update. Today's the 16th. We're looking back from today, a week in the past, all the way back through the 9th. So what's happened in the Tiffin Seneca County area in the real estate market? As of right now, 68 properties on the market. We're talking residential homes in the Tiffin Seneca County area. So we're not looking at commercial, multi-unit, anything like that, leases, rentals. It's just for sale properties. You see a sign in the yard, what's for sale. So I'm getting a little clarification. I get several questions on what that looks like. We are live. So if you do have any questions, just pop those in the chat. We'll make sure to answer those. Where to find those homes in as well. So a lot of times people say, why don't you show us homes? What do they look like? Flip through them. Well, sometimes there's 5, 10 different brand new properties that come on the market here. And if that's all I did is show you what new properties were there, that's all we're going to see then. So easiest way to do that, go to 419homesearch.com. That's our website we built together, has all the latest listing information, all the new homes, all the coming soon, all the recent sold data. So enough of the commercial. I just want to kind of point that out. If you want to see the homes that are actually talking about, check that out, 419homesearch.com. Let's get right into it. What does it look like? 8 new homes come on the market. Tiffin Seneca County area, brand new listings. So we're up from last week, you'd think, right? Last week we have 24 active properties on the market. This week, again, just at 24. Another question we get, all these new homes you keep talking about coming on the market, why are there not more available? That's because a lot of them are going off the market then, meaning they're under contract, they get an accepted offer on them, or they're sold. They're just gone entirely then. So happy seller, happy buyers, got brand new keys, they're into the new house. So for the most part, we've been holding on that pattern for the last couple of weeks where, it's been the absorption rate has been holding steady then. So as new properties come up, properties are becoming unavailable, which is better from where we were a long time ago. Not that long ago, for a long time, we've been stuck with more properties selling that have been coming on. So there wasn't a lot to pick from, still isn't. So 7 have sold. What does that look like? So we've got a total of 68 properties on the market. 24 are active, meaning you can go look at those. They don't have an accepted offer on them as of yet, which it's 5:59 right now. By 10 o'clock tonight, hard telling then. So that's 35%. Only 35% of homes on the market that you see a sign in the yard are available yet. So then, or if you look at the other way, 65% already have an accepted offer. What's available? And again, if you can kind of see the screen here, it'll show you the latest that's come up for there. So one up for auction, same as last week. Under $100,000, there's only 4 properties, down from 6 from last week. Our winner of this week, the $100,000 to $200,000 range, we've got 11 properties in that category, up from 10 from last week. So that's by far our most popular. That's where a lot of our buyers are looking then to, 100 to 200. 2 to 300, there's 3, up from 2 from last week. 3 to 400,000, we're stuck at 2, same as last week. And 400 plus, again, 3 properties, giving us a total of 24 properties actively for sale. So what has sold? Let's look at that data here quickly. I'll show you these graphs if I can get these to show up right here. Again, we're looking at just what's been entered into the Firelands data, Firelands MLS data feed. There has been some more properties. We'll get more. We'll do a much deeper dive here in the future as far as every sold property. So a total of 25. For the most part, what you're going to see is that we've been cleaning up that mid price point properties. And so the smaller homes, the lower price point is a lot of what's transpired within this last week. So on average, 3-bed, single bath, opposed to like that 2 square foot, 1,500 on average, 1,400 is the median. So again, kind of smaller from what the previous weeks have been looking like. Older homes then as well says that on average have been $1,939 for what is sold. Listing price, so what's come on the market, on average just under that 160, median at about 140 range, so down considerably from weeks past. Listing price per square foot again is kind of holding steady though, that $101 on average, so we've been sticking around about that 100. Selling price is where you see it's been down pretty considerably from the weeks past, under 140, and then the median getting 130. So apologize for the noise. We are live. That's what you get for going live. And then selling price per square foot down quite a bit then. It's been hovering right about that 100. So we're right about that $91. Time on market, again, days on market has been very short. So we're 24 on average, 29 to median. So it still just blows my mind how quickly that happens. Put a sign in the yard versus that. But if you're a seller and you don't get 10 offers within 2 weeks, don't feel bad. Again, that's just the average time frame of what that takes. So again, listing ratio price per square, for listing ratio for sales price versus time on market has been kind of influx from this. For weeks past, it's been that 0 to 30 days. If you got it priced right, it's been selling for over list price. So I'm going to say for this week, it looks like we've been kind of cleaning up some of that mid to lower price point and size homes inventory. So with that, it seems like the numbers have kind of come down from there on average. I'm sure next week it'll probably skew quite the other way. Then it kind of seems how that goes. And again, when you're looking at the market in short little bursts, that's kind of what it comes up with. So let us know if you've got any questions. Be sure to check back here every Monday. We're here for your Monday market update, and that is Making Sense of Real